When it comes to music production, there's one piece of gear that can make or break your mix: your monitors. You can have the best DAW, the best plugins, even the best synths, but if your speakers are lying to you, your mix will fall apart on headphones, cars, and club systems. We tested 5 of the best studio monitors you can buy this year, from budget-friendly setups to pro-grade mixing beasts. Let's break them down. The Atom T5V has become almost legendary in budget studios, and after testing, it's easy to see why. With its 5-inch woofer and UART ribbon tweeter, the T5V delivers a detailed but brutally honest sound profile. Mixes translated really well when tested on headphones and car systems. What you hear is what you get. The highs were crisp without being harsh, the low end was surprisingly tight for a 5-inch, and the rear bass port made placement flexible. If you're looking for an affordable monitor that doesn't flatter your mix but tells you the truth, the Atom T5V is still one of the best in 2025. Links in description for best prices. Let's start strong with the Focal Shape 65. These 6.5-inch powered monitors are the definition of accuracy. When we tested them in a treated room, the first thing that hit us was the detail in the mids and highs. Vocals sat beautifully in the mix, and acoustic instruments sounded natural, not hyped. The passive radiator design means tight low end without a port chuffing, and the stereo imaging was ridiculously wide. Panning decisions became effortless. They also include onboard EQ controls, so you can fine-tune them to your room. If you're a serious mixer or mastering engineer who wants premium translation and pristine clarity, the Focal Shape 65s are worth every penny. Best links in the description. The M-Audio 4060 is one of the more surprising monitors we tested. At first glance, it's a 6.5-inch, 100-watt speaker, but the magic lies in its precision, DSP crossover, EQ controls, and even Bluetooth connectivity. Yes, Bluetooth in a studio monitor. In testing, the sound was balanced, with a slightly warm character in the low mids. The DSP crossover made transitions between lows and highs feel seamless, and we loved being able to tweak EQ with their control app. For smaller studios without perfect acoustic treatment, that flexibility is a huge plus. This is a great pick if you're an up-and-coming producer or home studio owner who wants smart features and modern connectivity at a very reasonable price. Check the description for details. Next, the iconic Yamaha HS5W. If you've ever walked into a project studio, you've probably seen a pair of these. Why? Because they're brutally honest. During our test sessions, we noticed the same thing Yamaha monitors are famous for: flat mids, tight bass, and unforgiving highs. If your mix sounds good on these, it'll sound good anywhere. The 5-inch drivers don't shake the room with sub-bass, but that's kind of the point. They force you to get the mids and vocal balance right. These are perfect for mix engineers who want a no-nonsense, industry-standard tool that exposes flaws instantly. Description has links for the best prices. And finally, the KRK Rokit 5 Generation 5. Now, KRK monitors used to be known for their hyped low end, but with the Gen 5s, they've really refined things. The 5-inch driver still gives punchy bass, but now the overall sound is more balanced and mix-friendly. The built-in DSP with EQ presets helped us adapt the sound for different environments, from a treated room to a bedroom studio. The iconic yellow cone still looks flashy, but this time, the sound lives up to the look. This is the monitor for beatmakers, EDM producers, or creatives who want punch and clarity, plus flexibility to shape the sound to their room. Link in description for the latest deals. We've linked the best prices and product pages in the description below. Which pair would you trust to guide your mixes? Drop a comment, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world gear reviews. Until next time, may your mixes translate everywhere.